Hey you guys, if you all would like to see how I got this super cute flat twist out with all this volume, then keep watching my video. Okay, y'all, so I'm starting off with the back half of my hair already done off camera. I'm doing a flat twist out. This will be the first style I'm doing with my growth challenge, using only GROVEDA hair solutions for the month. So to style my hair, I'm going to use the Aloe Rose Hair Milk Day Leave-In Conditioner, the Bentonite Clay Souffle Leave-In Conditioner, the Curlastic Brulee, and the GROVEDA Hair Serum. All by GROVEDA Hair Solutions, clearly. So I'm going to tie up that half of my hair and then split this half in half. And I want to, get all the hair out the way because I want this to be a very, neat process. So I'm going to start off first with spritzing this section with water, and then I'm going to go in and detangle, and then I'm going to apply a nice little amount of the Bentonite Clay Souffle. Next, I'm going to apply the Curlastic Brulee. I didn't show y'all, but that's what I'm doing now. I'm applying the Curlastic Brulee. Now, I'm going to take the GROVEDA Hair Serum and apply that to this section so I can seal in my moisture. And then I'm going to go in one last time with my paddle brush. And now I'm going to start flat twisting. I recently posted a flat twist protective style video, and I explained how to flat twist in that video. And it's kind of hard to explain, like I mentioned, but the best way I can explain is you add hair to the bottom section before you bring it back to the top, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, that's pretty much how I do it. If you want a closer look, make sure to click the link in my description to check that video out, or just look really closely. I don't know, it's easy once you get the hang of it. So an important step is, once you get close to the ends of your hair, take a fine tooth comb and just comb out your ends so you can make sure it's nice and smooth. And once I get to the end, I am going to twirl the twist around my finger, ever so lightly, and then I'm going to take my perm rod and apply that. So when applying the perm rod, I wrap my ends around first, and I try to roll my hair up on top of my ends. As you can see, I'm looking at my hair so freaking hard, but that's because I wanted to make sure my hair was wrapped over my ends so they wouldn't roll off. And once I get it up, as you can see, I just close the perm rod, I guess you would say, and I just go on to the next twist. So I apply my water, detangle, apply my products, as you will see. And I guess I forgot to apply the day hair milk on the last twist, or I accidentally edited it out. But as you can see, I did apply it, and I worked that in. And now I'm applying the Bentonite Clay Souffle. And now I'm about to work in the Curlastic Brulee. And I forgot, I guess I accidentally edited out me applying the serum, but y'all know I did that. And now I'm flat twisting. I'm not the best at flat twisting, as you can see. I had a hard time starting it off, but like I mentioned earlier, once you get the hang of it, it actually is easy. As you can see right now, I'm just lightly detangling with my paddle brush to make sure it's smooth. And that's pretty much the whole gist of doing this style. Just be careful to not apply too much product like I did. You will see why later in the video, but yeah. And as you can see, I'm doing the exact same process on this side. Okay, y'all, so now that I look crazy, I am done. I have a total of 7 flat twists in all. Hopefully this comes out cute. I don't know. We will see. See y'all tomorrow. It's currently 5, and I don't plan on taking this out until, tomorrow. It has a while to dry, so, yeah. Okay, so it's the next morning. I'm going to take the GROVEDA hair serum. After I show y'all my dry results, I'm going to take the hair serum, apply a little bit of that to my hands, as you can see, and then I'm going to start taking out my perm rods. Now, this first curl was so cute, and it helped me so hopeful for this whole look, but as you can see by my facial expression and that second curl, they all didn't come out that good, and that's because my hair did not dry fully. Yeah, so my hair didn't dry fully, but it was still very moisturized, and it still has some nice definition. I just wish all of it came out like that first curl. But to take these out, I just kind of unwinded the ends, and then I just took it down. I wasn't super careful or anything, but I made sure not to go too crazy. But y'all can see how I did it. And you can tell by how I was looking and feeling my hair. My hair was about 75% dry. It definitely could have dried a little bit more. But my hair was, in these twists for like 12 hours. It should have dried. But that's what I meant by not using too much product. Because I think I just used too much product, and it just took my hair a while to absorb all of it and to dry. But that's okay. But as you can see, my hair looked really, really good. I still like the definition I had. So this was my hair after, just taking down all of the flat twists. I didn't do no extra separating or nothing. This is just how it looked. And like I just mentioned, it looked really good. But to get some more volume, I took this anti-frizz serum by Garnier and just applied that to my hands. And I just went through and felt around my head to find some thicker pieces that, could be separated. And I went and I separated them. And that really did help add some more volume, which you will see. But yeah, just keep on watching. While editing this, I have noticed that my roots obviously had that pretty flat twist curl, but those perm rods gave my ends more so of a wavy, almost one curl type of beach curl type of curl, which is cute. It wasn't the look I was going for, but it's still cute. So if you want to try this style but you want a more defined curl, use a smaller perm rod, kind of like how I did in my most recent flat twist video. Not flat twist out. That will be linked down below as well. But right now, as you can see, I took my wide tooth comb, and I started fluffing my hair. And I actually did some fluffing off camera before I started recording this clip right here. So yeah, just fluff, 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 fluff with the type of definition that the perm rod gave me at the bottom. It was really important that the roots had, you know, volume and whatnot to kind of go with that. But as I was fluffing, if I felt any large pieces, I went in and separated. But this is the look. This is the final look pretty much. Before I lay my edges, and now I'm just go in and lay my edges. I say this in every video. When I lay my edges, I do a swoop motion. I go downward and then I put my finger on it so it can stay in place, and then I just brush the hair back. I hope that makes sense. If it didn't, just check out any of my other videos. Maybe I explained it better in that, you know, because I do it in every video. But yeah, my edges came out very bomb with this look. I really did like them. Here I'm just doing some last minute fluffing to get that volume right. So this right here is my final product. My hair was actually so pretty and so soft, and I literally loved the volume. It was just so cute. Okay, y'all, so as you can clearly see, my flat twist out did not come out exactly how I was expecting. Now, my hair was damp as I was taking down some of the twists, so it got a little bit more frizzy than I personally would have thought it would have, which is honestly not a problem. My hair is super moisturized, so those GROVEDA products definitely moisturize my hair. I just think I might have added a little too much, which is why my hair didn't dry. So my hair should have dried. I think I just added too much product. But since it was a little bit more frizzy than I would have thought, I fluffed my hair out a lot more. I don't have the hair that some of these girls have where they fluff it and it's just super, super big. But I fluffed it and it was able to get some volume, and I actually really do like it. All in all, I think it's cute. I think I could probably pull this back and do something cute like that tomorrow or something. You know, we in quarantine, so it really don't matter. But, you know, I don't know. It came out cute, though. I like it. So, I do plan on actually redoing this style eventually, because I would like to perfect it. But that's about it. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below anything you want. Share this video with a friend and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you in my next video, y'all. Bye.